TNBC Commission for Social Communications Annual Report 2017-2018. Significant Activities. World Communications Day. Tamil Nadu Catholic Church celebrates the World Communications Day on the second Sunday of July every year. In 2017, it was celebrated on the 9th of July. During the Diocesan Secretaries meeting held at Santham Communications Center on the 16th March 2017, in addition to preparation and sharing of liturgical materials, it was discussed to conduct a statewide choir competition in view of the World Communications Day to encourage our parish choir groups who actively participate in the liturgical celebrations. This competition was named as Angelic Choir. Angelic Choir. 81 choir groups from all over Tamil Nadu and Karnataka participated in this competition. It was planned in 3 levels: preliminary round, zonal round, and the grand finale. The top 10 choir groups were invited for the finals that was held at St. Bede's Auditorium in November 2017 in the august presence of our archbishops and bishops. Music directors Thenisai Tendral Deva and D. Iman were invited as special guests. Thousands of viewers from different parts of Tamil Nadu and special invitees participated in this maiden mega event conducted by the regional center after the inception of Mada TV. Christmas, Lenten, and Easter programs from the dioceses. All the diocesan secretaries were coordinated through the zonal coordinators of Mada TV to ensure the equal representation of programs during the Christmas, Lent, Easter, and common seasons. New program shooting studio. On the 4th floor in the west wing of the St. Thomas building, the Regional Communications Center has constructed a new program shooting studio with the financial support of the donors. The program shooting studio measures 2,400 square feet with a production control room, separate makeup rooms for gents and ladies, dining room, and restroom facilities. Extended residence for the guests. Additional guest rooms have been constructed for the priests and religious who come for shooting. Priest's staff residence has been totally repaired and repainted. A new kitchen with latest facilities and a dining-cum-drawing hall was also constructed. The Secretary and Treasurer of TNBC Commission for Social Communications, along with the Chairman, Most Reverend Dr. S. Singarayan, sincerely thank the President of TNBC and all our beloved Archbishops and Bishops for their encouraging visit to the Regional Center on the 25th January 2018 for the opening and blessing of the new constructions and dedicating them for the media mission. Radio Veritas Tamil Service. Santham Communications Center has reassumed its traditional radio service inside its premises in St. Thomas Building from the middle of April 2017. There are 1 full-time staff and 2 part-time staff working to produce programs for Radio Veritas Tamil Service. Father Prakash Philomen Raj from the Religious Congregation of Servants of Charity has been appointed for a period of 3 years to serve as program producer for the RVA, and he will be sent to Manila for a 40 days training program with the support of the RVA. Courses on Communication Theology and Pastoral Communications. The priest staffs from the Regional Communications Center and media professionals from the mainstream media have provided courses on Communications Theology and Pastoral Communications in the major seminaries like Sacred Heart Seminary, Poonamali, Good Shepherd Seminary, Coimbatore, and Gurukul Lutheran Theological College and Research Institute, Chennai. professional training to the staff of the Diocesan Communications Center. The Diocesan Communications Secretaries and their technical staff were invited to the Regional Communications Center in 2 batches, that is, May 11th, 12th and 13th, and May 25th, 26th and 27th. And they were given a 3 days in-house training program on video editing, camera, lighting and sound. Technical assistance for church acoustics. Father Jackson Lewis, the technical head, was invited to render consultancy on audio designing and acoustics for new churches built like Christ the King Church, Singol Nagar, Madurai, and St. Luke's Church, Anna Nagar, Chennai. He has also rendered technical assistance for the installation of sound systems at Sacred Heart Church, Hosur, and St. Anthony's High Secondary School's Auditorium, Mandaveli, Chennai. A short report on the diocesan communication activities. During the annual meeting of the diocesan secretaries, everyone reported about their Diocesan Communication Commission activities. Almost all the dioceses have taken active part in the production of programs for Mada TV. Most of the dioceses have organized fine arts training programs during summer for children and youth. Some of the dioceses have conducted seminars and training sessions in media for special groups during this year. Pondicherry Diocese has conducted communication skills training program for teachers every second Saturday. The Diocese of Kumbakonam has produced 20 episodes of teleserial on the life of Father Lou the Saviour and Pundi Pudumai Mada. Coimbatore Diocese has put up a full-fledged shooting floor for video production and a separate office for Communication Commission and Mada TV activities. Challenges faced. The Regional Center makes a kind appeal to the TNBC that we can motivate our faithful to contribute generously on the World Communications Sunday as we encourage for the Mission Sunday collection and try to save this collection in the Corpus Fund for the future of the media mission. The TNBC Commission for Social Communications makes a humble request to the archbishops and bishops to identify and set apart interested and talented priests to be trained in the field of media for the future of Communication Commission and Mada TV, as it requires specialized skills. Plans for the forthcoming year. Renovation of the ground floor of St. Thomas Building. Owing to the damages caused by heavy rains, the entire ground floor of the Santam Communications Center is in need of renovation. Since the building was constructed in 1980, the ground level has gone below the road level. Therefore, whenever there are heavy rains, the rainwater enters the building and causes a lot of damage. The ground floor was flooded during December 2015 floods and on the 2nd of November 2017. We have approached funding agencies for this purpose. Professional training on audio, video and computer graphics. We are planning to provide professional diploma course with training on audio, video and computer graphics. We place on record our sincere gratitude and prayers to our archbishops, bishops, priests, religious and faithful for your constant support, encouragement and prayers for the success of our media mission. Thank you.